This home has been renovated to perfection, and with fresh paint on the exterior and interior, it is move-in ready. Complete with an architectural roof and all new tile floors, counters, plumbing fixtures, and light fixtures. This wonderful floor plan includes a foyer with hardwood floors, a formal dining room, and a large eat-in kitchen with a new tile backsplash and new hard tile floors. You will also enjoy a nice laundry area off of the kitchen. The great room has a beautiful fireplace and ceiling fan. There are 3 bedrooms, and the master bath has double vanities, a separate shower and garden tub, new fixtures, and a large closet. You will find neutral colors throughout this home and a fully fenced backyard with a large detached storage building. There is a beautiful wooded area behind the home, giving it a lot of privacy, and the renovations look like new construction and make it a great house for the price. Located close to AUM, I-85 and all amenities, this house is a must-see.